Imagine a world where health influencers ignite a global movement of well-being, empowering millions to thrive. I am Ajayi Angela, a pharmacist and health content creator. Together with Ijoma, we are passionate about igniting a health revolution through social media.
Are you feeling stuck with content ideas? Or are you struggling to learn health brand collaborations? We have been there. That's why we are building Beyond the Counter, a thriving community for health influencers like you. Imagine brainstorming with experts, reaching wider audiences, and growing together as a collective force for good.
We will offer exclusive brand partnerships, workshops, growth strategies, and more, all fueled with shared passion and purpose.
Sounds awesome, right?
So, if you're ready to join the movement, transform lives, and become a founding member of Beyond the Counter, then you can fill the Google form in our bio.
Together, let's shatter health myths,
empower individuals, and change the world one follower at a time.
So, what are you waiting for?